Hi, I'm Anita Vermeer, and I'm here with my son.
Hi.
And I'm here to share with you our fun that we have with riddles and rhymes. Today we're going to do the winter theme because it's a little bit cold outside.
Yeah, we're wearing a long sleeve. My mommy's wearing a jacket because she gets cold pretty fast.
That's right. So this winter theme, there's 8 of them on the page. We'll just read a couple of them today. These are 2 things for your feet when there's snow on the street.
I know what this is.
Wear these when you wear snowsuits so feet stay dry in your
boots.
How did you know?
I knew because you wear it on your feet and it's snow outside because it's winter.
Oh, because the riddle said snow on the street. So you knew it was boots. All right, I got another one. Ready? Wear this on your head all day when you go outside to play. It keeps you warm just like a cat and your ears because it's a
hat.
And you knew it was a hat because?
Because you wear it on your head and it's winter.
Okay. We're getting these winter things. You ready for another one?
Yes.
I'm like mittens, but I'm not. 10 little spots is what I've got. All your fingers find the loves when you wear this
gloves!
Pair of gloves. And how did you know it was gloves?
Because it said it's not a mitten, but it's close.
Oh.
And the rhyme.
Rhymes?
I forgot what the rhyme
Loves. All right, this one might be a little bit tricky, but if you listen to the clues and the rhymes, I think you might get it. This is a type of winter storm. Piles of snow will likely form. Gotta listen to all the clues. This is a type of winter storm. Piles of snow will likely form. Run and hide, just like a lizard, to stay safe if there's a
blizzard? I forgot what it was called.
Yeah.
Blizzard.
A blizzard.
But I don't know how I just
So,
said that right.
A lot of the times we think about snowstorms, and that's the words we use, but snowstorms actually have different kinds of names. A blizzard is a type of snowstorm. It depends on where you live or how much you talk about snow to make you realize whether you're familiar with that word or not. But you did a great job guessing the clues.
I don't know how I did that first try.
That was great. You must have heard about it in a book or a TV.
I've heard about blizzards, but I've never seen it happen.
Okay. Well, if they like this book, what should they do? Where should they go?
They should go to AnitaVermeer27.com.
Great. So, or if you want to watch more of these videos, have a YouTube channel or our Facebook or our website,